Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to increase our earning from YouTube. As we are a small creator, everybody like to get more money, everybody like to get increase their earning. I will show you my start earning like this. You can see here 28 cents like that, then 19 cents like that, 42 cents. You can see very less earning, but I will apply. I already applied before. You can see now I increase my earning. Now more than $2 I earning per day. So I will show you how to do that for this one. Before that I will show you something. You can see here, you can find your settings, but you should know what is this also, what is this also, and what is this also. This is your estimate revenue, mean your total earnings now. Okay, this total earning is like this, and this one your revenue per mile. Revenue per mile mean for 1000 views how much getting you now on this time. Then this one CPM means how much pay in the advertisement for 1000 views. Then I will show you this. You can find here only 49 cents that last 90 days. Then I try that last 28 days, little bit increase. You can find here $1.15. Then here also CPM also increase $4.94. Then this one I will show you last 7 days. My last 7 days I already increased my CPM also $11.13. This is average, and this also I increase $3.14. You can find it before 90 days it less than $1. So I will show you now. For this one you need more than 8-minute videos. So better you create more than 8-minute videos. Many people, many viewers, many creators, and they are creating more than 8-minute videos. So this is suitable for you after monetization. Now we need 8-minute videos. Let me check my 8-minute videos. Okay friends, now I am going to apply for the settings on this video. I have this 19-minute video. So you have to do that like this. You can see here $mark. When you go to in content, you find your video, then you have to find this $mark. Okay, just click that $mark. Then come little bit down like that. You have to click all these boxes. If there is any box unboxed, you have to click that. Everything should be clicked on. Then you can click here manage midrolls. I click that. Okay, you can see here ad break. I will tell you what is the ad break. Ad break mean after 8 minutes you can manage your ads. You can do it manually and automatically. Automatically mean YouTube automatically will put your ad setting on your videos. So you can find here I have only one ad here now in this 19 minute. So someone watching your videos, there is he will not seeing any ad. He will see one ad from here starting, then he will see one ad end of the video. But many people, many viewers are not watching full video. So we have to add that manually. That is the way increasing our revenue. So I will show you how to do that. If you have 1 or 2 ad like this, click on this delete. I will click it now, already deleted. So then you can find here this space. So you can find it like this space. You can find the time also on the top. You can see here 6 minutes 30 seconds like that. Go to the last one like this 18 minutes 49 seconds. So no need. After that this is 19 minutes 44 videos. So I start from here 18 like that. Then you can hear 17 like this. First you have to manage how many you can put, how many ads you can put. Maybe better you arrange the time of 3 minutes or between 3 to 4 minutes. So I will find my time here like that. For example, I will put 2-3 ads like this. Okay, so if you find maybe you need 6 ads or 7 ads inside this 19 video, you have to do like this. Click this 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, now I already click 7 times. You can find from this line, you can go down like this. Okay, now you can see everything is 0 0 0. So you have to do like this. Now first you can find here this is space. You can see this white color is space, so you have to put add on this space area. Start from the last add break. Okay, I will show you now like this. Now I put time 1850. So like this, in this first 2 zeros I make it 18. Then I have to add second also 1850. Okay, now I already add one add. You can see here now this blue color, it is my add. So if someone watching this till now, this here and this one, add will start. Then I will check another time also. You can put here, you can click your mouse like this, then you can find the time here 17:10. This add is 1850. So this is, I'll put something like this. So close is not good, so maybe 3 minutes 4 minutes is better time, because someone watching, he will watch only ad, so he will not like to video. So you better put add on more than 3 to 4 minutes. It's better 3 to 4 minutes. So I put in now 15:29. So I will make this 0 0 to 15 like this, then 29. Okay, like this you can. Now I put here 20 12 28 12 28, right? So after that everything you finish. I am not going to finish now everything because video going to so long. So I'll put this one. Now you can find here till maybe 1 minute. Yeah, after 1 minute you can add one add like this. 125 you can find that there is space 117. So because starting also there is add, you can find here like this one add here. You can arrange them. You can arrange like this. Hold on the mouse, then you can arrange anywhere this time. Okay, like that. You can find here. You can, if you want to put here like this, any video you can find here. After finish you all of this, totally finish, you have to click this continue, and you can save this. Okay, like that. Okay, I'm sorry because I forgot something very important things to tell you. First you have to do like that, because you need to find very good video for good revenue. So find this video like this, go to your content like that, check the your RPM rate, go to revenue like this, check your RPM rate, because this RPM rate is very less. Don't do that for this video, because you have to find good RPM rate videos. So it is better for you, because this video very old video, that's why it's very less. So to find good video, go to your content. I will show you now in quickly my content here. Then okay, like this. After 8-minute videos you check like this, go to your content, then go to your analytics, content analytics, then you have to click this revenue, then you can find the RPM. If your RPM is good, not the cents like this, maybe $1, $2, $3, maybe $10 like that. So apply for the setting on that video. You can find this increase in the settings, increase in the revenue also. You can find here last 7 days. I will show you last 7 days. You can see here now $21 per 1000 views. Before it was last 90 days it was, you can see here $3 for 1000 views. That's why when it playing, you can find the revenue is increasing. So if revenue increasing, you can apply that setting, is getting more and more revenue for your videos. So you can get quickly. If you don't have $10 also yet, so you can get $10 quickly. Thank you so much for watching this video. I think this is, you like this video. Many creators didn't apply these settings for that your videos, so better you apply video setting for that videos. You can earn good money. If anything you forget to ask, maybe any question there, any problems there, just comment me on If you new to my channel, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again